Hi, assalamualaikum. We are from AAA consultant firm. Today we are going to present about strategy audit of Mah Sing Group. This is the team member that has contributed the idea to complete the strategy audit. In 1994, they start developing the property. They built a house for residential, commercial and industrial purpose and making them expert in property industry. They focuses on Klang Valley, Penang, JB and Kota Kinabalu. So we can say that it can be stated that they have almost 20 years of experience when it comes to property development. Other than property development, they also involved in plastic and investment as their other business division. And then in 2020, they start to diversify their business into a healthcare, which is they involved in glove industry. Finally, they prioritize the environmental harmony and the company vision of designing sustainable future, living the improved quality of life.
There are 5 issues that have been identified. First is the height-rise residence issue that limit the purchaser to trade, although incentive provided by government. Second is the government policy on foreign labor, which can affect Mah Sing labor expenses and supply. Next is restriction on imported recycled plastic material that can impact material acquiring process and cost. This can influence Mah Sing in meeting production volume and market demand. The fourth one is about the high density property in Cheras that became a viral issue like last year that looks like from another country. Lastly is the COVID-19 impact to the company that influenced their value chain, productivity, delay in projects as well as their sales.
Analysis of Mah Sing Group, it found in the SWOT analysis conducted, Mah Sing's strength that is strong brand reputation, strong financial condition, property technology, wide geography presence, and strong stakeholder relationship. Next, the weakness of Mah Sing, low investment into Mah Sing customer-oriented services, decline per unit revenue per Mah Sing, gross margin and operating margin, decline market share and business model. Moving on to the Mah Sing has opportunity in rising demand from upgradable house segment, accelerated technological innovation and advances, customer preference are fast changing, expanding into new geographic market, and serving additional customer group or market segment. However, Mah Sing need to consider that it has threat is urban market saturation and rural market stagnation could pose a threat, competitor catching up with the Mah Sing product development capability, shortage of skilled human resources, adverse demographic changes that threaten to the current demand for the industry product, and growing technological expertise.
Strengths and opportunities. Firstly is leveraging brand recognition in new geography. The highest potential growth for affordable housing. Third, establish the brand reputation. 4, increase productivity through the technology. 5, explore the new construction technology. Second strategy, which is the weaknesses and opportunities. First, investing into R&D to capital goods industry disruptors. And second, enhance operational efficiency and productivity. Third strategy, strengths and traits. First, investing into customer-oriented services and supply chain. Second, product development and technology for the better productivity as well as the product quality. Third, continue efforts in maintain competitive edge in terms of cost and operational efficiency throughout its value chain and investment in automation. For the fourth point is increase focus on social and relationship stakeholders to drive business growth. Lastly, weaknesses and threats. First, get out of the business and focus on core area. Lastly, reduce threat of competition by developing flexible product line.
Recommendation, we decide to suggest 5 best strategy for Mah Sing Group company. First of all is issue focusing hesitation with higher potential growth from available housing. So property division can focus on creating the cheap landed houses. Next recommendation is limit foreign worker requirement in the construction industry so that we can mitigate the impact of COVID-19 pandemic. Besides that, innovate their raw material and encouraging recycling also can improve their quality of plastic productions. Next recommendation is reconnect in the new geography to provide a cleaner living environment and be able to tolerate higher people. And lastly is encourage the productivity to maintain a strong brand reputation DZT.